Hello everyone, welcome to Yuva Defense Academy online classes. Myself Gautami, and this video is particularly for NDA students. That is, here in this video we'll discuss about what is NDA exam and what are the eligible criteria to write NDA exam. And here we'll also discuss some important topics regarding the general studies exam pattern and syllabus of NDA exam. So let us start the session. So before starting, let me give some introduction regarding the NDA exam. What is NDA exam? So NDA exam is an exam which is conducted by Union Public Service Commission every year twice. So every year 2 times the Union Public Service Commission, they will conduct this NDA exam, that is National Defense Academy exam. Through this exam, they will recruit students for the Defense Academy for posters like Navy, Army and Air Forces. So students here are recruited through this exam and they are sent to the Defense Academy where they are well trained and then they will be categorized. Coming to eligible criteria, people who passed 12th can write down the NDA exam, and people who are appearing in the 12th standard can also apply to the NDA exam. And the only thing is they should be unmarried. Only unmarried students are eligible to write down the NDA exam. And even during the training period, they should not get married. And coming to the exam pattern and syllabus of NDA exam, so this NDA exam is conducted in 3 stages, that is written exam and then SSB interview call, and then they'll have the physical test. So coming to here in this video, we'll particularly discuss about the written exam. That is, written exam will be conducted in 2 papers, that is paper 1 and paper 2. Coming to paper 1, the total duration of paper 1 and paper 2 combinedly it is 5 hours. So total 2.5 hours for paper 1 and 2.5 hours for paper 2. So if you see the paper 1, it is completely mathematics, which is 300 marks, 2.5 hours. And coming to paper 2, which is 600 marks and 2.5 hours, and 150 questions are given. So again, this paper 2 is further divided into part A and part B. In part A, we'll have the English section, okay, which is for 200 marks, and part B, which is for general knowledge section, which is for 400 marks. So out of this 400 marks, 25% of the marks is given for the physics part and 15% of the marks is given for chemistry part, and remaining 10% is allotted for the general science. And remaining 50% out of 400 marks, you'll have the important subjects like history, economy, geography and polity, some current affairs. So total 200 marks were allotted for these 4 subjects. So coming to the weightage, if we compare the last 2019 paper with GS paper, if we see 2019 GS paper of NDA exam, most of the questions were asked from the geography part. That is, 19 questions were asked from geography part, and only 1 or 2 questions are from economy and 2 questions are from polity. But coming to history part, they have asked around 17 questions combinedly from world history and national movement and some ancient history. So if you see history part, out of 17 questions, most of the questions are from national movement, that is Indian freedom struggle, and some questions are from world history. So it is very easy to categorize and study, and whatever number I told, that is based on the previous question papers, and it is not mandatory that every time you get the same number of questions from each subject. So sometimes it may vary. Sometimes you may get more questions from GS part, from geography part. Sometimes you may get more questions from economic part. But most of the questions are from history and geography. And coming to current affairs part, there are 10 questions. 10% of the questions were asked from the current affairs. For reading current affairs, you need to go through the recent issues, and for NDA exam, you have to read last 3 to 4 months of current affairs. So with this strategy, you can easily clear your NDA exam. So thank you for watching this video.